A machine smoking as it grinds a tree root. A man cutting down a tree only for it to fall back. Don't miss the drama watch. Subscribe, like, share, and comment below. It's unbelievable. Watch this wood crusher at work. It rips through these tree stumps as if nothing could stop it. This is truly a great time saver, and the best part is that it leaves behind a rich, nutritious coating. This is a turning point for anyone who is serious about reclaiming land. This 40-meter tall mature copper beech tree, unfortunately, succumbed to the ravages of the harmful fungus, Schillerping, also known as scorch bark fungus. This dangerous fungus weakened the tree's structure, turning it into a serious hazard. Let's see how our professional team handles the challenge of removing such a large tree safely and effectively. Leave a comment if our video surprised you. Your support is a great source of motivation, helping us continue to develop and be more creative. The wooden pallet line is designed to handle logs up to 45 centimeters in diameter, providing optimal cutting efficiency, saving time and effort. Or for doofy turf say is a paddle. This is the ideal solution for the job, helping to increase speed and minimize delays compared to manual methods. Evam alig parakai furniture. Benain matestimal kaya thayer. let's delve into the Haypro 755HB. This Swedish-engineered harvester boasts a robust design, perfectly suited for demanding forestry operations. Its integration with the Hyper-F G45 clamp enables precise felling of trees, up to 45 centimeters in diameter. The system's intelligent design minimizes ground disturbance, crucial for maintaining a healthy forest floor. The hydraulic system is highly efficient, optimizing fuel consumption and reducing operational costs. For professionals seeking peak performance and environmental responsibility, the Hyper 755HB is a compelling solution. Wow, have you ever seen anything like that? Cat 990 log unloader. It's like a giant mechanical beast, effortlessly moving those massive logs. It makes you wonder, how do they design something so powerful? These cars are writing checks their engines can't cash. Heads up if you're out there felling a tree and notice something weird. Hightail it to safety. Felling trees can get real hairy real fast. Look at this minimalist design. Maximum efficiency powerful. It's genius pure and simple. Best wood splitter I've seen. Period. The ZIL 131's impressive structurally speaking. But you gotta understand, every design has its breaking point. This particular scenario, it exceeded the vehicle's operational parameters in terms of both load, capacity, and environmental challenges. Maybe it's better to let the professionals do it. Am I right in thinking this person is seriously skilled? But can we just pause and ask, why isn't that winch being put to work? It feels like watching someone run a marathon with their shoelaces tied together. What do you all think? Ever wrestled with a giant birch log? It's like fighting a stubborn giant. But imagine this, a home built with splitter ready to tame those beasts. It's got this cool double pump system and an electric valve package. Think automatic shifting between high and low gear. We're talking about 3 tons of force for the easier stuff, and a monstrous 9 tons for those truly massive logs. And get this, you control the size of the wood. It's like having a custom wood splitting workshop in your backyard. Engineered for maximum output and unrivaled durability, the X19 brush chipper represents a significant advancement in land management equipment, featuring a powerful 173 horsepower, 123 kilowatts John Deere diesel engine. This robust machine is capable of handling high volume throughput in large-scale land clearing operations, whether mechanically or hand-fed. Its versatility also makes it an ideal solution for more localized rural job sites. Imagine the hidden dangers lurking within those root balls, waiting to surprise unsuspecting burglars. It's a scenario that sends chills down your spine, isn't it? That's why awareness and preparedness are crucial in this field. Alright folks, check this out. This Tatra Phoenix 6x6 demonstration showcases incredible power and balance. You won't want to miss this. Okay, so you want to take down a tree. First things first, you gotta know where that baby's gonna land. Don't get cocky every. Well, that was a nail biter, and the winner is...
Przyjdzie troszeczkę. O, bez problemu. Zaraz.
Już teraz!
No przejdź.
Risky stuff, but someone's gotta do it.
This is definitely something you never want to encounter while cutting down a tree.
This is definitely something you never want to encounter while cutting down a tree. Whoa, check out that timber truck battling the mud. It's like a monster truck rally gone wrong. Ever wondered how tough it is to get those logs? From the forest to the middle, this is it, folks, a real-life obstacle course. The pancake forestry truck's wheels spin frantically as it climbs the muddy gravel-strewn hill, struggling to find grip on the slick, uneven surface.
And lifting power.
A truck veered off course, prompting a swift response. The
An
operations manager called in the Duck Wing,
Ducklebrook Fire Department's crane team with a hydraulic winch, renowned for its
precision and lifting power.
A truck veered off course, prompting a swift response. The
engine's roar is deafening, and you can almost feel the power as it fights to pull them out of that mess. They're stuck, but the battle's far from over. Watch how teamwork steps in to turn the tide. Jobs look easy. This ain't no toy, folks. This is the 640H, and it's built for one thing. Getting the job done, we're talking raw power. Unstoppable force, you want to move some timber. This is your machine, no excuses. No complaints, just results. Watching him pilot the second generation Cummins 53-ton was like a stunt show. I couldn't believe my eyes. That's what I'm talking about.
Dude, it sounds like an old muscle car.
If I can, oh yeah. There's a huge thing right there. Huge. Picture this. A 5-foot hemlock needle with rot towering overhead. It's a recipe for disaster, right? But what happened next was incredible. Okay, yay! The house is still intact. At work, I was on the edge of my seat, wondering how he'd do it. And then boom, down it came. Perfectly controlled. What a story. Stop struggling with that chainsaw. Get the Hardnet petrol log saw. 13 horsepower engine, total safety. Effortless cutting, it supports the log. You just guide it through. Take it anywhere with its built-in tow bar. Cut like a pro, 1,000 per 155 $. Game changer, get yours today. See that huge Nissan? Now guess who's driving it? A Japanese girl, and she's no taller than 5 feet. How crazy is that the sight of a small girl handling a massive monster like that? Don't you agree? it's inspiring. Cutting down a tree. It's not as simple as it looks. It's a skill you build over time, with every cut of the chainsaw. Sure, you'll make mistakes along the way, but that's how you learn, right? Those mistakes, they're gold, pure gold. This track, Artilio Street, 130, ain't no ordinary sawmill, folks. This baby boasts a 13mm blade, a 168mm rim. It's built to handle massive logs, and with its electric guide saw and hydraulic lift, every cut smooth, every cut precise. Plus the 700 carriage, with its hydraulic clamps and movable battens, makes loading and adjusting a breeze. This sawmill is a workhorse, plain and simple. Isn't it? But with the E17. 0- for you'll be grabbing those logs like a pro. Who here wants to make their logging work easier and more efficient? This machine is your answer. It's powerful, it's precise, and it's ready to transform your workflow. Let's make those logging challenges a thing of the past, together.